Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can get a free domain and hosting for practicing website development. We are going to show you multiple sources from which you can easily get a free domain and hosting for your website. But before we dig deeper into the video, if you have come to our channel first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. There are few websites available that can provide you a free domain and hosting. But the one that I like the most is known as Infinity Free Hosting. This is one of the best free domain and hosting provider available in the internet. It provides you free domain and hosting along with a free SSL certificate. You simply have to create an Infinity Free account and then you can easily get a free domain and hosting. To create an Infinity Free account, you have to visit to their website. Then click on Sign Up Now button. Then you can easily create your account by filling your email and setting up your account password. Once you do that, you'll get a verification mail into your email. If the verification mail doesn't come, click on Resend Email button. Then you can get the email into your inbox. Just open the email and click on this blue button. You'll automatically redirected to this page. Here, you need to create a new account. Just click on this blue button. Then select a domain name. You can add a custom domain name as well. If your desired domain name is not available, it will show this type of error. Otherwise, you'll redirected to the next step. Here, you need to create a username and password for your account. Then click on Create Account button. Once you do that, you'll see these two buttons. Here, you need to click on this green button. You will redirected to a new page. Here, again you've to click on this green button. As you can see, you've got your website control panel. Now you can easily set up your website. Let's set up the website with WordPress. To set up a WordPress website, you need to find the Softacular app installer option. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see these options. Just click on this Install button to install WordPress into your website. Here, you need to add a username and password. Then scroll down and click Install. As you can see, WordPress installed within one click. Now, if you will visit to your website, it will not load immediately. It may take up to 1.5 hours to load your website. Once your website will start loading, you can start customizing your website. That's all about how to get a free domain and hosting for your website. You can also visit freenom.com to get a free domain for your site. And if you want to get free hosting, then visit freehosting.com. But Infinity Free Hosting is best among all these. Cause you can get all these features for absolutely free for over 10 years. That's why we like it the most. Now, if you have watched the video until now, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them. Thanks for watching this video.